Sleeping is an essential process for overall health and well-being. It is a natural state of rest that occurs in cycles. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates tissues, strengthens the immune system, and consolidates memories. Sleep also plays a crucial role in regulating emotions, cognitive function, and hormonal balance. Adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, though individual requirements may differ. Obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and mental health disorders are just a few of the health issues that can be made worse by getting too little or poor quality sleep. To have a better sleep, here are 12 tips to help you. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. 2. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Use curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out any distractions. 3. Avoid electronic devices before bed. The blue light emitted by smartphones, tablets, and computers can disrupt your sleep. Try to avoid using these devices at least an hour before bedtime. 4. Establish a bedtime routine. Engage in relaxing activities before bed to signal to your body that it's time to sleep. This could include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises. 5. Limit daytime napping. If you have trouble sleeping at night, try to avoid long daytime naps or limit them to 20 to 30 minutes in the early afternoon. 6. Be mindful of your caffeine intake. Avoid consuming caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime, as these substances can interfere with your sleep patterns. Choose for decaffeinated drinks and herbal teas instead. 7. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity can promote better sleep. However, try to finish exercising at least a few hours before bedtime, as exercising too close to bedtime can make it harder to fall asleep. 8. Create a pre-sleep ritual. Develop a routine that helps you unwind and relax before bed. This could involve dimming the lights, listening to soothing music, or practicing gentle stretches. 9. Manage stress. Stress and anxiety can significantly impact your sleep. Explore relaxation techniques such as mindfulness, journaling, or talking to a trusted friend to manage stress levels before bed. 10. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Eating a large meal or spicy, greasy foods before bed can cause discomfort and disrupt your sleep. Try to finish your last meal at least a few hours before bedtime. 11. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Your sleep environment plays a crucial role in your comfort. Ensure that your mattress and pillows provide adequate support and are suited to your preferred sleep position. 12. Seek professional help if needed. If you consistently have trouble sleeping or experience symptoms of a sleep disorder, it's important to consult a healthcare professional who can provide guidance and treatment options. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, so it may take some experimentation to find what works best for you. Thanks for joining. Remember, growth is a journey, and every bit counts. Have a good sleep and see you next time.